If you want to become a next-generation engineer, shaping robotics, automation and the physical world, our BEng Robotics and Autonomous Systems course gives you the skills, experience and industry connections to get you there. Designed for those who want to shape the future of intelligent machines, this course responds directly to the UK's growing demand for robotics and automation expertise, preparing you for careers in advanced engineering and high-tech industries. You'll learn in specialist, industry-aligned facilities, including robotics labs, engineering innovation spaces and our Autonomous Discovery Hub, where you can develop and test real autonomous systems. During the course, you'll build skills across key areas such as robotics, mechatronics engineering, autonomous systems design and control, AI, machine learning and computer vision, engineering simulation and systems integration. The course blends engineering theory with hands-on, project-based learning, giving you experience in designing, building and programming intelligent systems in realistic environments. You'll also work closely with industry through placements and collaborative projects, with links to organisations such as BEA Systems, Thales, Kinetic and the Ministry of Defence, so that when you graduate, you'll be ready to step into high-impact roles, shaping the future intelligent systems.